Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of another shoot I'm doing, and today I don't have one but two models. We're going to do some really natural beauty stuff and a little bit of skincare, and yeah, I'm super excited to shoot and let's get right into it. This was the inspiration of today's shoot, and I did the very minimal makeup myself, so those were all of the products that I used. I will be sharing some of my top tips for working with multiple models with you in this video. Tip number 1 is about how to pick your models. I suggest choosing people who have similar facial features, like a similar head size, similar lips, etc. Obviously, you don't want the two models to look the same, but having some similarity will make the photos look a little bit more balanced. For my shoot, I chose Nina and Jenny. At the first look, they don't look alike, but they do have kind of like similar eyebrows and lips, which made them harmonize very well. Tip 2 is to eliminate white spaces in between your models. If there's a white gap in between the models, it will kind of pull the models and the photo apart, and it would just look like two people standing next to each other rather than a photo with two people together in it. Small white spaces aren't a big problem, but I would just try to keep them as small as possible or eliminate them completely. You should pick models who either know each other, have experience in posing together with other people, or people who you know will get along super quick. When shooting together, you get really close to each other and the photos should look close. If somebody is uncomfortable in the situation and doesn't really know how or want to pose with the other person, it definitely shows in the photos. So as I said, pick models who you are sure about that they will work great together, not only look-wise. Tip number 4 is about connecting the models in the images. This is fairly easy to do. You can put the hand of one model on the shoulder of the other model or have their faces touch, for example. Physically connecting the model will eliminate white gaps as well, and it will make the models more of a unity than two separate people, as mentioned before. And yeah, those are my top tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my future uploads, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!